Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the common blockers. Make sure your computer or phone shows the correct time, date, and time zone because Microsoft uses those for token validation. Next, open a private window or clear cookies and cache. This removes stale session data that can trigger too many requests. If you already tried repeatedly, stop and wait 15 to 30 minutes to allow throttling to reset. Once done, attempt one clean sign-in and watch for any new prompts or verification steps. Next, follow the recovery flow when Microsoft demands extra verification. You need to prove identity to clear rate limits. Use a linked phone number, alternate email, or the Authenticator app to receive codes and enter them exactly as shown. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or aggressive privacy browser extension is turned off. These can make requests appear to come from many locations and maintain the throttle. After verifying, sign out everywhere and sign back in from a single clean device to re-establish a normal session. To finish, reset your password if verification steps fail. Choose a new, unique password and update saved credentials on devices to avoid repeated failed attempts. Also check Microsoft service status. Sometimes backend issues cause global rate limits, so waiting a short period resolves it. If the block persists despite correct steps, collect screenshots and timestamps of errors, then contact Microsoft support. Provide those details so they can lift a block or whitelist your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.